Hello, bienvenidos. My name is Greco, el teacher bilingüe. Today, I'll tell you the summary of a mystery tale titled The Pit and the Pendulum by Edgar Allan Poe. Let's get started. The story begins with a narrator who finds himself in a terrifying situation. He is a prisoner during the Spanish Inquisition, a dark and cruel period in history. The narrator has been sentenced to death, and he describes the horrors he faces. Initially, the narrator wakes up in total darkness. He discovers that he is in a small, dungeon-like cell, and he has no idea how he got there. The fear of the unknown envelops him. As he explores the room, he realizes that the prison is deep and damp, and he soon stumbles upon a deep pit in the center of the cell. The pit, which seems to be a deadly trap, adds to the narrator's anxiety. He speculates on the fate that awaits him, and the darkness intensifies his sense of impending doom. To make matters worse, he realizes the walls of the cell are closing in, threatening to crush him. Just as he resigns himself to his grim fate, he discovers that the walls are not closing but retracting. This revelation brings a momentary sense of relief. However, the narrator's reprieve is short-lived as he finds himself on the brink of falling into the pit. To his surprise, he is saved from the pit by the sudden appearance of the French army. They have come to liberate the prisoners from the horrors of the Inquisition. The narrator, now free from immediate danger, joins his rescuers. However, the nightmare doesn't end there. The captives are forced to march through dark, narrow passages, adding to the suspense. Eventually, they are led to a large, dimly lit chamber where they are all made to lie down. The narrator speculates on what gruesome method of execution awaits them. As he lies there, he feels a cold, metal object against his back. To his horror, he realizes that it is a large, razor-sharp pendulum suspended from the ceiling. The pendulum begins to swing back and forth, descending with each swing, getting closer and closer to the narrator's chest. In a desperate attempt to escape, the narrator uses the scraps of food given to him earlier to attract rats. The rats chew through the straps binding him, allowing him to escape just before the pendulum reaches him. Finally, as the pendulum is about to claim him, the French army storms in, saving the narrator once again. The torturers are overthrown, and the prisoners are finally free. There you have it, amigos. I hope you liked our story today. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't forget to keep practicing with me, one video at a time. Hey, thanks for watching. Adiós.